Hi guys, RETROCENGO here. Well, I did it. I listened to you guys. You wanted to make a Facebook group that was about pinball. Because through my YouTube channel, RETROCENGO, I have Facebook group that is about retro computing. But I make retro computer videos and also pinball videos. And for some time, you guys have been writing to me. We need to get in contact with you through Facebook with a proper, I'm sorry, a proper Facebook channel that's all about pinball. Now it has been done. The pinball group is called Pinball with RETROCENGO. I will put the link on the description. I'm so sorry about the music. Hope you like it. So yeah, just a little clip, guys, telling you that Pinball with RETROCENGO is up and running now. And yeah, if you want to be a part of it, just come in and join. Nothing special. I'm gonna share some of my, YouTube videos. I'm maybe gonna play some pinball live on that Facebook group. The same can happen with you guys. You can just jump in and have some pinball fun in there. So yeah, Pinball with RETROCENGO. Come on in and join, and we're gonna have some fun. I'm gonna maybe have some, every time I get a new game or do something or mod or something, share everything pinball. I think it's gonna be fun. So why not, man? Come in and join, and let's have some fun in there. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great one. Bye.